Hello, Matthew Jeske here. I'm a real estate agent in sunny Sahuarita, Arizona. Here we are in the great room. To my side here, under these large picture windows, is an electric fireplace. We have a kitchen island wrapped by subway tile backsplash and topped off by granite here. It's a pearl white granite. Here's our dining area directly in front under the chandelier. And as I come through this doorway here, this opening, we walk into a generously sized den. This entire property is under the shadow of Mount Wrightson. It's a 9,400 plus foot peak here in southern Arizona. And you get what I call cutaway views of that throughout the property. Let's take a quick look at this brand new kitchen. The owner has been nice enough to put in soft close cabinet drawers. These are kind of fun, by the way. We have a stainless steel farmhouse sink, along with other stainless appliances. This here is a gas range. And that is our kitchen. Let's take a look here and go into the bedroom spaces. I have a little bit of a surprise for you here at the end. I'm gonna walk first back into the master suite. Again, we are looking out at Mount Wrightson here to the back. This is our master suite. That's where we just came in. To my left here is a barn door which leads into the master bath. A lot of custom work here. We've got new light fixtures with Edison bulbs in them. Cultured marble bathroom vanity and custom tile work here in the bathroom. As I come back around the corner, we have our shower area. Now this shower is wrapped in subway tile. Just to the side of it is our walk-in closet, which is lined with cedar. Very tastefully done property. Now let's take a look at the other bedroom space here. Two linen closets here in the hallway. First, the bathroom. Again, we have that beautiful custom tile work. And another subway tile shower. Beautiful natural light in this property. Lots of large windows and a couple skylights in here as well. Come out, this is our second bedroom here, which has a nice little custom touch to it. There's one thing that is very unique about this property, which sets it apart even farther. We'll take a look at that in a second. Let me flip on the light here for the niche. And that is the laundry room. So few properties do anything with the laundry room, but this one has been beautifully tiled. And it also has a countertop here, accented again by subway tile and lit with these light fixtures, these Edison light bulb light fixtures. My name is Matthew Jeske. If you have any questions, make sure to give me a call. You can reach me at 520-344-3481.